Hey there, how's it going?
Yeah, good, what's up?
I was wondering, maybe did you want to go grab a drink up the road?
A drink down the road?
Yeah.
Yeah, nah, look, I'm a bit busy today. I've got stuff to do, so unfortunately...
I don't usually ask twice, but
Look, Tal, I'm going to be honest with you, you know, I run a tight schedule. I've made plans with my mum to go bird watching, so unfortunately, you know, I'm in a...
look, I rarely ask the third time, but
Is that your car?
yeah, it's my car.
Yeah, well, look, what I was going to say is, you know, if you...
Now you're interested? Too bad. I don't date girls.
Actually, what I was going to say is, can you just take no for a fucking answer, you bitch? Anyway, my mum's here. Get me out of the fucking rain, mum. This girl, she won't leave me alone. Let's go. Oh, fuck. Start her up, let's get out of here. See you, bitch!